In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps for enrolling your teachers once you have placed an order with responsive learning. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post up new content into this channel to help you better prepare and develop your teachers. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is the email that the support team sent you once you have placed the order. It was an email that started, the subject line was your name, and then your responsive learning order is ready. Here's your startup guide. So that's the email that I'm talking about. Now, if you want to go through a more in-depth overview of this entire email and how to use it, there is a link to that video in the description. Now, one thing I want to point out to you is once you receive this email, the most important thing is do not forward this email to any of your teachers. This email contains information for you only, and you should save it as a guide for reference. So everything we're going to talk about how to enroll your teachers is down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll all the way down to that portion. By the way, let's go up a little bit, and I'll just kind of go through the sections that we're going to be going through, or this email goes through. The first section is getting started with your administrator dashboard. This is all about you logging into the admin dashboard and all the things that you're going to be able to do there. The second section is enrolling campus administrators so that they can see what's happening with the users in their campus. Now, this is only going to appear if you purchase at a district level. If you purchase at the campus level, you're not going to be able to see this. So now let's go all the way down to this section called enrolling your teachers. So this is what you're going to do to enroll your teachers. And we've made it very simple. We created an email template that you can copy and paste to send to them. It has all the instructions that they would need to get started. Okay? So you're going to basically copy from here all the way down to here, and then you're going to paste it and then send it to them. You can change things if you'd like to in there, like give them deadlines and things like that, but for the most part, this is everything you're going to need. So if the teachers already have a username and password, in other words, they already have an account with us, here are the steps that they're going to do. They're going to log in by clicking this link and then entering in their login information, and once they are there, they are going to be in their dashboard. This is what it looks like right in here. Okay, they're going to copy the registration code that's going to be right here, and they're going to paste it right up here. Okay, so once they paste it and they click submit, then the order is going to show up in the active orders section. Now, one thing to keep in mind whenever copying and pasting is taking place is if they copy and they grab a space before or a space after, then it's not going to take their registration because the system is going to think that the space is a character. So it's going to be really important that they grab exactly the characters and then they paste it up in the enter registration code up here. So this is for people who are teachers who already have an account with us. If they do not already have an account with us, then they're going to click this link. And when they go there, they are going to, let's go ahead and do that right now, actually. It opens up this page right in here. So they're going to copy this registration code right in here, enter their email address, and then submit. Once they submit it, they're going to receive an email with all of their login information, their username and password, and then and instructions on how to log in and get to this page. So once they are here, they are going to they're going to see all these different tables. So the first one is your active orders. The second one is your registered courses. So these are courses that they've already registered for. Here are the courses that they are available to take. So all the different courses in the library, you can see that there's 42 pages or so of courses. And then down below is all the courses that they've completed over many years. I mean, this is basically their whole history. It's kind of like a cum folder for everything that they've completed. So once they look at courses that are available to take, they can register for it. And then once it's registered, it pops up here, and then from here, they can complete the course. Okay, so that's it for this session. If you want to learn more and kind of get into more details about this page or anything else having to do with getting started with your order with responsive learning, in our YouTube channel, there's all kinds of videos in there. So please go to our YouTube channel and look at any of those videos. But if you want to speak to a live person, you can place a phone call to 915-532-9964. And one of our team members will be able to help you. Or you can send an email to support@responsivelearning.com, and they can help you via email as well. So I hope this is helpful. And again, if you need additional help, just contact us directly. Thanks.